Now we are going to start another topic on Python. The topic is list, which is parallel to arrays like in C, C++, Java. We have a topic called arrays. In Python, we have a topic called list. So first we start our application. prg7.py. Then edit with IDLE. So first command is import sys. Now our topic is list. List is parallel to arrays. So list contains items. In Python, list contains the items which are separated by comma. So I'm going to declare a list like list. I've declared a variable called list equals to square bracket, means the entire list is enclosed within square bracket. In C language, C++, even Java, these hard square bracket is also called subscript block. We have also seen these square bracket in our string topic. So similarly here, while declaring a list, we have these square brackets, and now we can bind same type of values or a different type of values in the entire list. Like name is Raman, comma, age is 34, comma, city is Bhopal, comma, salary is 30,000, comma, and height, if I say 5.9 inches. So here we have strings, integer as well as floating point data, and all the values are separated by comma. So this is the way how we can declare list in Python. Next, to display this entire list, we can use print command. The name of the list is list. So first we have to save this file, then go to the run command and select run module. Here is the entire output of our list: name, age, city, salary and height. Next, if we want to display of course individual items, also known as index elements, if we want to display each index element individually, so we can use print with like name and comma list of 0, exactly like other programming. Similarly in Python, the first index is 0, second index is 1, third index is 2, fourth index is 3 and fifth index is 4 element. So these are the index positions of each element, and this is a comment. So save, either you can use Ctrl S as a shortcut key or a save. Run, and the shortcut is F5. So name is Raman. Similarly, I can display each element. I want to display age, and I want to display age and city in the same line. So first I'm going to use list of 1 and again list of 2. We are not going to use loop right now because we haven't discussed about it, but when we finish up with the loopings, then we again start this list topic and we process the entire list including loops. Save and run module. So age and city, age and city, same line. Now some different things like a print command for list, where we can use a range like we have used in string programming also. So list starts with the index position to index position. It's a range. Save, run, and 3 and starting from the index number 1 to the index number 3. So from 1 and 2, starting from the 1 to the 3. Next, similarly, if I write print, where I mention list with index position 2, and I'm not going to mention the last index position, it means starting from the second index position to the last. So save and run. So starting from the second index position to last. Same if you want to display any item more than one time. So like we have used in a print with the list of 0th index position, I want to display the name maybe 2 times, so asterisk with 2. Save and run module. So here we are able to display any element more than one time. This is just a feature of Python. So this is the way how we can implement list in Python. The format and the methods are same, means every list starts with the 0th index number. The size is equivalent to means the last index position. The last index position is equivalent to the total size minus 1. Total we have 5 elements in our list, so the last index number is always size minus 1. And to access any individual block, we have a subscript block with the numeric index position. Index positions are always numeric in the case of list in Python.